Hello, welcome to Sit Down to Kitchen. Today I'll be making lamb chops. So for the ingredient that I'm just gonna blend together is I have like 4 pack of the kib, and then onion sleeve, cilantro, persil, mini pepper. I take like couple of red, yellow, and green, and also some celery, and trust me, a lot of garlic. I just put a lot of garlic. I'm gonna blend those together, and then we'll be right back. This is the lamb chops, and this is the lamb leg curry. So I'm gonna just put a 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard here too. And right now, all the ingredients that I blend, I'm just gonna put some in. And I have some white vinegar that I'm just gonna put a little bit. It just helped the meat to cook faster. Just a little bit white vinegar. It's optional. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of salt. A little bit of dry persil. You can add any season you want. You know, you can. I just have a couple of seasons, so I'm just gonna jump in a couple of seasons. Be careful with the season because you don't wanna add too much in the salt. All seasons have a lot of salt on it. Be careful with the seasoning. A little bit of paprika. That's this if you like spicy. Jamaican curry. You can cook without Jamaican curry. And then a little bit of the gimbo powder. Just a little bit. Okay. Gonna just mix that. Good. Make sure when you're mixing it, you go around all the meat. The one that I'm mixing it, I'll just add a little bit of oil and I'll put it on the stove the way it is. So I'll let it cook on the stove at least for 1 hour. And I'll come back and show you guys after 1 hour. So the way it is in a bowl, that's the way I'll take and put on the stove, cook in the medium heat. Just drop off a little bit of olive oil, that's it. And the lamb chops that I'm about to mix, that one I'm gonna put in the oven. The lamb chops always better, especially when it's crispy at the end. It's better in the oven. So this one will be fried on the stove, and this one I'm just gonna put the lamb chops on the oven for 1 hour and 30, maybe 30 to 40 minutes. You can eat this meat or any kind of dish you have. Any kind of dish you have, you can eat with it. The lamb fry, that one is good with fresh bread, especially when you put it in the oven. You toast it on the oven for like 10 minutes. Oh, that tastes good. So you can eat with anything, vegetable, any kind of food you have, beans, anything you have, you can eat good with the rice. I'm just gonna rest of the gravy, you can just chop one big onion and mix on that gravy. At the end, you just put it out on top. That's optional if you like onions or green peppers. I'll see you back. I'll see you guys soon. It's going to the oven right now for almost 1 hour and 40 minutes. The fried lamb is done. I just chop one red onion and I put it on. It's optional. You can add green pepper also, chopped green pepper, and just add that to it. So the fried lamb is done. Like I said, you see the gravy. You dip your French bread on this. It tastes so good. Or French fry is good. The gravy is good even with rice, beans, anything. And the chopped lamb also is done. And then also the fried plantain, I fry like couple. I'm just gonna show you guys at the end. I'm pouring some more fried plantain, the oil. So I'll show you guys the ending. See you guys soon. The lamb chops is done. And the fried lamb, I fry some plantain and I have a little bit salad next to it.